We'll be talking about the relative humidity and human discomfort. What does that mean? We know that as relative humidity increases, the air becomes saturated, and if air becomes saturated, so our discomfort discomfortness likely increase if the temperature is high. Okay, we are supposing on a hot, muggy day when relative humidity is high. So if that, so actually the body in the warm weather, the main source of the body cooling is through evaporation of perspiration. So from the previously that we know that evaporation is a cooling process, and so when this air temperature is high and the relative humidity is low, the perspiration on the skin evaporates more quickly, often making us feel that the air temperature is lower than it really is. However, when both the air temperature and relative humidity are high and the air is nearly saturated with water vapor, the body moisture does not readily evaporate. Instead of that, it collects on the skin on a bed of perspiration. So less evaporation means less cooling, and so we usually feel warmer than we did with a similar air temperature, but a lower relative humidity. So when we go to the weather, which is hot and muggy, a number of heat-related problems may occur. For example, in a hot weather, when the human body temperature rises, so in our body, we have a gland that's name is hypothalamus gland. Actually, it's sweating. So as this perspiration evaporates, rapid loss of the water and salt can result in a chemical imbalance that may lead to painful heat cramps. So excessive water loss through perspiration and with increasing body temperature can result the heat exhaustion. And it also heat exhaustion means the fatigue, headache, nausea, and even fainting. So even if this we are that our temperature will be rising at around about 41 degrees centigrade, 106 degree Fahrenheit, heat stroke can occur, resulting complete failure of our circulatory function. If the body temperature continues to rise, we may die. So many events happen in the United States. One of the um, things that happened in just always we've been remembered that's in 1995 the Chicago heat wave that almost more than 700 people died in this situation. So in this picture we are talking about the horizontal line here. That horizontal line is talking you the relative humidity and the vertical line is talking about your temperature, and inside the colored box is talking you about the feel like temperature or apparent temperature. So for example over here we have red zone, that's mean extremely danger, and we have danger and extreme cautious. Those situations we have. So if we look at here, if relative humidity decrease, even if relative humidity is lower, temperature is higher, we still can be in little bit comfort zone over here. So 90 degree is definitely as hot temperature, but if the relative humidity is less, so we feel little comfort over here. If at the same time, if 90 degree, but our relative humidity is 95%, so we will be falling into danger zone. So as temperature will increase, at the same time if the relative humidity also will increase, it is possible that we will fall into extremely danger zone. So In hot, muggy weather, there are people who will be remarked about heavy and how dense the air feel like. So it's hot, humid air really more dense than the hot and dry air. Yes, we'll be talking about that in the next video. So thank you.